Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. You know how much I love exploring the latest and greatest in tech, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Specifically, we're going to be looking at 10 AI tools that are poised to change the way you work, create, and even relax. We're talking about some seriously next-level stuff that can automate tasks, boost your productivity, and maybe even make you a little more human along the way. Let's get started. First up is ChatGPT. And let me tell you, this is way more than just a chatbot. It's like having a superpowered writing assistant available 24/7. Imagine typing out a prompt for an email, a blog post, or even a piece of code, and having ChatGPT generate it for you in seconds. But it's not just about speed. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, find creative solutions, and even learn new things. It's like having a constant stream of information and inspiration right at your fingertips. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is the output actually any good? And honestly, that's what blew me away when I first started using ChatGPT. The quality of the writing is surprisingly human-like, and it can adapt to different styles and tones. Whether you're a student struggling with writer's block, a professional who needs to crank out content, or a developer looking for a coding buddy, ChatGPT has something to offer. It's really incredible to see how far this technology has come. And based on what I've seen so far, I think ChatGPT is just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI-powered writing. Next, we've got Grammarly, which, if you're anything like me, is already an indispensable part of your workflow. But here's the thing, Grammarly isn't just about catching typos and grammatical errors anymore. It's evolved into a full-blown AI writing assistant that can take your writing to the next level. Think about it. Grammarly has analyzed billions of sentences, learning the nuances of language and style. It knows the difference between a formal email and a casual text message, and it can adjust its suggestions accordingly. But it goes beyond just grammar and spelling. Grammarly can help you with clarity, conciseness, tone, and even plagiarism. It's like having a virtual editor looking over your shoulder, giving you real-time feedback as you write. And the best part is, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with all your favorite apps and platforms. So whether you're writing an email in Gmail, a document in Google Docs, or even a post on social media, Grammarly's got you covered. So if you're serious about improving your writing skills and presenting yourself in the best possible light, you need Grammarly in your life. Now, let's talk about something completely different, DALL-E. This AI tool is straight out of science fiction. Remember when we used to dream about having computers that could understand and generate images from our words? Well, that future is here. DALL-E lets you type in a textual description of anything you can imagine, and it will create a unique, often mind-blowing image based on your words. Want to see a photorealistic painting of a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle on Mars? DALL-E can do that. What's really impressive about DALL-E is its ability to understand complex concepts and relationships between objects. It's not just about stitching together random images, it's about creating something truly original and imaginative. For artists, designers, and anyone who works with visuals, DALL-E is an absolute game changer. It's a tool for exploring new ideas, pushing creative boundaries, and bringing your wildest imaginations to life. I've spent hours just playing around with DALL-E, and it never ceases to amaze me. It's a glimpse into the future of creativity, and I can't wait to see how artists and designers use this technology to blow our minds. Chapter 4. Replica Your AI Friend. Moving on, let's talk about Replica, an AI companion that's designed to be, well, just that, a companion. Now, I know what you're thinking. An AI friend? Really? But hear me out on this one. Replica is more than just a chatbot that spits out pre-programmed responses. It uses machine learning to learn your personality, your interests, and even your sense of humor. The more you interact with Replica, the more personalized and engaging it becomes. You can have conversations with it, share your thoughts and feelings, and even play games together. Now, I'm not saying Replica is a replacement for real human connection, but it can be a valuable tool for those who are feeling lonely, isolated, or just need someone to talk to. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information and stimulation, Replica offers a space for reflection, self-discovery, and genuine connection, even if it's with an AI. Chapter 5, Jasper, the AI content machine. For all the content creators out there, Jasper is a game changer. It's an AI writing assistant that's like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call, ready to help you create compelling content for any platform. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, website copy, or even video scripts, maybe not this one though, Jasper can handle it all. Just give it some basic information and let it work its magic. But here's what sets Jasper apart. It doesn't just generate generic robotic content. It's been trained on millions of pieces of high-quality content, so it understands what makes writing engaging, informative, and persuasive. Plus, you have a lot of control over the output. You can adjust the tone, style, and even the SEO keywords to make sure the content aligns perfectly with your brand and your audience. If you're tired of staring at a blank page, struggling to come up with fresh ideas, Jasper can be your secret weapon for content creation domination. Chapter 6. Otter.ai - your AI note-taking assistant. Let's face it, taking notes can be a real drag. Whether it's a meeting, a lecture, or an interview, trying to jot down every important point can be distracting and honestly pretty ineffective. That's where Otter.ai comes in. This AI-powered tool transcribes your conversations in real time so you can focus on what's being said instead of frantically scribbling away. But it's more than just a transcription tool. Otter.ai can identify different speakers, tag important keywords, and even generate summaries of your conversations. Imagine being able to instantly search through hours of meeting notes to find that one crucial piece of information. Or being able to share a perfectly transcribed and annotated version of your notes with your team without having to lift a finger. That's the power of Otter.ai. It's a game changer for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to get the most out of their conversations and meetings. Chapter 7. In today's increasingly globalized world, being able to communicate effectively across language barriers is more important than ever, and that's where DeepL comes in. It's an AI-powered translation tool that puts Google Translate to shame. Seriously, I've been blown away by the accuracy and natural-sounding translations that DeepL produces. It doesn't just translate words, it understands the context and nuances of language, resulting in translations that sound like they were written by a human. Whether you're translating documents, emails, or even entire websites, DeepL can handle it all with ease. It supports a wide range of languages, and it's constantly being updated with new languages and features. So the next time you need to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, don't settle for clunky, inaccurate translations. Step up your game with DeepL. Chapter 8, Lumen 5, from blog post to Blockbuster. We live in a visual world, and if you're not creating video content, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to engage your audience. But video editing can be time-consuming and intimidating, right? Well, not anymore. Lumen 5 makes it incredibly easy to turn your written content, like blog posts or articles, into stunning videos. Just paste in your text, and Lumen 5's AI will analyze the content, suggest relevant images and video clips, and even add music and transitions. You can customize every aspect of the video, from the fonts and colors to the pacing and style, to create something that truly represents your brand. Lumen 5 is a game changer for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who wants to create engaging video content without the hassle of traditional video editing. Chapter 9, Scribe Documenting Like a Pro. Ever had to create a step-by-step guide or documentation for a process? It can be tedious and time-consuming, right? Well, Scribe is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This AI-powered tool automatically generates documentation by observing your actions on your computer. Just turn on Scribe, go through the process you want to document as you normally would, and Scribe will capture every click, keystroke, and screenshot. Then it magically transforms those actions into a polished, easy-to-follow guide, complete with screenshots and annotations. You can customize the documentation, add your own notes, and even share it with others. Scribe is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to create clear, concise documentation without the headache. Chapter 10, TARS, your AI Customer Service Squad. Last but not least, let's talk about TARS, an AI chatbot builder that can revolutionize your customer service and engagement. With TARS, you can create intelligent chatbots that can handle everything from answering frequently asked questions to qualifying leads and even processing transactions. But here's the thing, TARS chatbots aren't just about automating responses. They're designed to provide a seamless and personalized experience for your customers. You can customize the chatbot's personality, tone, and even its appearance to match your brand. Plus, TARS integrates with all your favorite business tools so you can manage your customer interactions all in one place. If you're looking for a way to improve customer satisfaction, streamline your operations, and free up your team to focus on more strategic tasks, TARS is definitely worth checking out. Outro, the future of AI is now. And there you have it, folks. These AI tools are not just futuristic concepts. They're here now and ready to make your life easier, more creative and more productive. From writing assistants to image generators, language translators to chatbot builders, there's an AI tool out there for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and discover how these incredible tools can transform the way you work, learn, and create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next video.